guys, Dr. Decks here. Today we're talking about drones, one of my favorite things to do, and as a deck builder, I suggest each and every one of you should have one to document your outdoor journey through your career and showing people what you can do by building decks. Drone and decks go hand in hand in my opinion. It's a great way to get 30 feet up and show those people those aerial images and how cool your projects look and the whole encompassing of what we do. Now, a lot of you know that I fly drones. I am FAA certified as well, but we started messing around with some of the settings on this Mavic 2, and I wanted to bring those to you and show you some really cool effects that maybe you use not so much building decks or capturing decks, but just in general. There's these intelligent flight modes that we've discovered that are pretty cool, and we just wanted to show you how those work today. So if you like what you see, click that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell icon if you want to be notified every time we're putting out fresh content. All right, man, let's get this bird in the air. All right, guys, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna launch the drone. You cannot go into intelligent flight mode until your drone is in the air. So I'm flying the DJI Mavic 2 Pro. I really like this drone, except for one thing. It has some latency issues. When I'm filming decks and I'm taking photographs, sometimes the lines don't line up too good, so I'm not really happy about that, and I'm not quite sure how to fix it. So if any of you drone experts want to say, hey, you, Dr. Decks, you need to do this, or put it in this setting. I've tried a few different settings for camera. Doesn't seem to work for me, so I'm still getting these really crazy waves and things, and when you're trying to showcase your product on social media, you want it to look money, and this drone will not. I can fly this little Mavic Mini right here, and it shoots great. And what I've heard is there's a sensor overheating problem with this drone. But for now, we're not going to worry about that. We're just going to talk to you about these intelligent flight modes, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and take off, and then I will start recording, and then I will show you my screen through the camera and kind of show you the different mode settings we got, and then we'll go from there, and then we'll show you what each one does. All right? All right, here we go. All right, so right now, got the drone in the air. So now, I'm going to go into intelligent flight mode, and we choose from our menu over here, and it says active track. So I want to show you guys what active track does. And active track will allow the drone to focus on me, and then it'll follow me wherever I go. Okay, so that's the first thing we're gonna do, is we're gonna go into follow mode. Okay, hit okay. And we are in tracking mode. Okay, so now the drone needs a subject. So now I'm gonna walk in front of the camera. Okay, so now you can see on my drone, it's showing me and DJ Studio Man. I'm gonna push on me. There we go. Now it has a green halo around me, so now it's locked in on me. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit record. Now I'm recording this. So now the drone is gonna follow me around. So I can leave the remote. I can leave the remote wherever I want. Okay. And I can walk this way. And the drone is gonna continually stay focused on me. And it'll just follow me wherever I want to go. I can start running. I can stop. It's gonna stop. And then I can turn around and start walking back. And it's gonna do the same thing. And it's gonna keep me in the shot. And then you'll notice the drone is turning now. So it's kind of flying itself while it's filming me. Okay, now it's losing me. Okay, now the drone just lost me. So I'm going to stop recording. Okay, so that's what trace does. So now I'm gonna go into profile mode. I'm gonna focus on myself again. There we go. Now the drone's locked on me again. Now this mode shoots you in profile and continues to stay that way. So now what I'm trying to do is record this. So now the drone is keeping its distance from me, and it's not changing the angle. Now it's flying in reverse as I'm walking towards it. So I'm gonna try to jog a little bit. I don't run much, so I hope you get enjoyment out of this. But I'm gonna try to speed up a little bit and see if the drone will keep up with me, if I can get past it. Oh, I got a low battery. As I started running faster, the drone started moving faster. All right, so now I'm in spotlight mode, and this mode allows you to record yourself, but you have to take some control of the drone, apparently. So I'm just gonna check this out and see what it does. All right, so in this mode, the drone stays in the same place. And if I walk backwards or forwards, it just stays focused on me. It doesn't change where it's located. If I go right or left, it'll turn. And it'll shoot me right and left. And I could walk out of the sunset and it'll just keep following me. But it's gonna stay right there. So that's kind of a cool effect if you wanna do like a over and out, or you're ending a movie, or you're ending your video and you want to that kind of an effect. But you can still fly the drone. It's just really slow, but it's gonna stay focused on me. So I can fly forward 20 feet and then keep walking, and it stays where it is. So you retain some of the controls. It's kind of a weird command. It's a little bit different flying style than what I'm used to, but it's interesting. So I don't know how much I'd use this one. I'd probably use it where I'd leave the drone where it is and not really fly the drone too much. Those are the 3 different modes of intelligent flight mode that we've discovered, and we just wanted to share that with you guys. I hope you got something out of this video. If I've thoroughly confused you, I apologize, because I'm new to some of these settings. I fly a lot of drones, but I don't always hone in on all these settings. So I hope you got something out of it. If you did, click that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon if you want to be notified every time I'm putting out fresh content. Thanks for watching and have a great day. I'm gonna go fly my drone now.